will show you how to fix apps not working on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library and check internet. Check your internet. After check internet, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so click on settings app, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not let us update your software, let us. After update software, let us go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest